Okay, good. It's good that you all found it easy. Utkarsh and Karthik
Question that I
is
won't be able to.
saying that they are going to score full. Very good.
The reasoning also full, maths also
Sir, I
full.
will also get full.
Okay, Alin will also get full. Alin, better change your name. And Lakshya Kumar, what about you? कैसा हुआ? Payal, how was it?
Sir, it was very good. I think I should get full marks.
Okay, very good. Nice.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Same here.
Same here, Bhavya also.
Yes, sir.
Very good. मिश्रा जी, आप बताएं. आदित्य गंगवार.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes, sir.
I will also get. Sir, I think I will get 40.
Very good. What about Priya, Pranjal, Saksham, Ved?
Sir, very good, 100%.
No, it was good.
प्रिया तो इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट है कि उसकी साउंड में एको आ गया, आवाज गूंजने लगी इतने कॉन्फिडेंस की वजह से. पायल हंस रही है प्रिया के ऊपर.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग. एंड कृषिका, कैसा हुआ बेटा?
Good morning,
Sir, it was very nice.
वेरी नाइस.
Yes, sir.
एंजल आनंद, हाउ वाज योर एग्जाम, मैथ्स एग्जाम? हेलो.
The great, just the objective last one got wrong, I guess.
ओके. लास्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव.
Yes, sir.
It was of 3 marks.
The last objective one. It was
Yeah.
a 3 marks.
Yes.
Okay, so sir, I guess that one got wrong.
Okay. Just pray that it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you will. Objective mein this is the loss. If you are getting something wrong, the answer is wrong, then you don't get any marks for it. And if it is correct, even if it is a guess and you guess it correctly, then you will get full marks.
Yes.
Doesn't matter if it is a 1 mark or 3 marks.
Sir,
So
there is
subjective
any.
में फायदा है कि if you have done something, so suppose you have done some calculation mistake, some silly mistake is there, you get marks for your steps in subjective. But in objective, there are no steps. So there are chances of getting full marks or 0 in objective. So this is a negative point with objectives.
This is actually bonus.
Bonus कैसे है ये?
Sir, it would. Sir, इसमें सर कभी कभी तो काम करता है.
हाँ. उत्कर्ष तुक्के के भरोसे.
नहीं सर, तुक्के के
Good
भरोसे.
morning, sir.
नहीं आता, तुक्के के भरोसे ही चलता है.
Objective, the main point
Good
is,
morning, sir.
sir, it would be in the options. If it is not in the option, means you are doing the wrong. So if you are getting the answer in your solution and that option is objective, then it may be 90% chances the answer will be right.
Yeah. Okay, so we are doing the chapter triangles. Anyone else would like to
Sir,
discuss?
there is also another way of checking our answer. If
Yes.
our x is same and it is also in the question, then we can give the values of x in the question. And if
And
the LHS and RHS are equal, that means our answer is correct.
yes, sir. This
Put
is
the
also way of
value.
check.
Put the value of x in LHS and RHS, and if it is LHS and RHS come equal, that means your answer is right. So,
Sir, in 8th class, sir, linear
Sir,
equation.
I also did the same one question today.
Sir, I did.
Yes,
I
sir,
did
me
so
too.
in every question.
Amaru method.
Every question.
So I
Sir,
also
I
agree.
did in 3 even consecutive ones.
ओहो, बहुत चालाक बच्चे हैं. कुछ नया तरीका ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
Sir,
Yes.
linear equation and two variables will come in 8th class or 9th class.
It
And
is
two variables.
linear equation in one variable is there in 8th. In 9th class, you have linear equation in two variables. In 10th class, you have linear equations, sorry, pair of linear equations in two variables. 9th और 10th में भी थोड़ा सा difference है. 9th में there is linear equation in two variables, केवल इतना. और 10th में there is pair of linear equations in two variables. That means you will have two linear equations and both will have two variables. Okay, so this is in 10th. And in 11th you have linear inequalities. Linear inequations. अभी तक आपने linear equations पढ़ा है. In 11th you will see linear inequations. Okay, and in 12th you will have linear programming problems. So linear word आपका कभी पीछा नहीं छोड़ेगा.
Sir, it was
Sir, which
what will come?
programming? Sir, computer programming.
No, not computer programming. It is मतलब something else. Yeah. Yes, someone was asking something. In short form, it is called LPP, linear programming problem.
Yes, sir. I was asking in 12th what will come, sir. That topic you said right now.
LPP, linear programming problems. Short form LPP. So linear word आपका class 6 से start हुआ.
Is it hard?
Not that hard because from a 12th point of view से देखेंगे there are many chapters which are difficult, but 12th level के हिसाब से it is, you can say that it is one of the easiest chapters in 12th. अभी अगर आपको कराएंगे तो अभी तो it is very difficult for you all obviously. लेकिन when you will be in 12th, you will find it is one of the easiest chapters in the whole syllabus of 12th. Okay.
सर अभी तो हमने साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा भी नहीं पढ़ा है.
हाँ बताइए, अभी तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक
Yes, sir.
अभी तो पढ़ना है. मुझे लग रहा है यहाँ पे कई बच्चों के भाई बहन जो है वो 10th 11th वगैरह कर चुके हैं. मुझे लग रहा है कि साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा मालूम है, सुना हुआ है.
Sir, I have heard and I have saw these in calculator also.
हाँ, कैलकुलेटर्स में भी तो है आजकल साइन थीटा, टेन थीटा. चलिए, so we are doing properties of triangles. In this we have started linear inequalities. ये आया ना linear inequalities, sorry, triangle inequalities. Triangle inequalities आपने यहाँ पे पढ़ा ना, अभी मैंने कल इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था उसका, sorry, day before yesterday on Monday I gave an introduction of this topic, triangle inequalities. ऐसा ही कुछ class 11th में that is linear inequalities. तो वहां पर भी वो greater than less than के साइन होंगे, instead of equal to there will be greater than or less than. Okay, क्या पढ़ा था? What is the linear inequality? What is the property? Anyone? Do you remember?
Sir, if
Yeah,
triangle
sir,
is
that
ABC,
means that-
then A plus B is equal to C will be bigger than C.
Great.
And A plus C
And
the
is
sum of-
also will be bigger
plus
than B.
the sum
And
Sum of
B
two
triangles
also
will
sides will be
greater
greater
than
than the
the
third side.
This is the property. This is a triangle ABC. If you add any two sides of the triangle, you will see that the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Okay, so let us take an example. Suppose this is 8, this is 9, and this is 10. These are the sides of the triangle. You add any two sides, you will see that the sum is greater than the third side. Okay, so let us start the exercise. You will learn a lot about this from your exercise also. So it has some good
Sir, I
questions.
want to ask sir that the 12th question of the objective was of how many marks?
I think it must be of 2 or 3, maybe 3 marks, maybe. Yeah.
Sir,
3 marks.
I did 12th question 3 times and then I got the correct answer.
It was of 3
Sir,
marks.
what was the question?
Sir, I also didn't got the correct answer at
How
the
many
first
of
time.
you finished it before 45 minutes? In less than 45 minutes?
Sir, I
So I don't.
How many
Sir,
of
I
you?
don't.
Sir, I finished at 40.
Sir, I have
Sir,
done
I
50
took 5
10
minutes
minutes.
more.
Ma'am, sir, I took 50. I have completed my paper till 8:50.
Very
Sir,
Sir, I've
8:58.
completed till 40.
So those
Sir,
who
I took 30 minutes for both.
okay, so you took
Sir, I took 20
Yes,
minutes.
sir.
whole 1 hour you utilized for the
Sir,
test.
I got the
Sir, I don't.
12th answer in one time.
Sir, मेरा
Sir,
Sir,
20
my
minutes रह गया था.
much time was gone in last questions.
Sir,
Okay.
मेरे तरीके
Till
से
Yes,
मेरे
till
sir.
sir
Sir,
12th
in
question
last question,
I have
Most time was gone in
sir, in
12th.
third last question, I got x equals to 12 and there was no such option. I
Oh,
did it 4-5 times.
oh. Then you must have
Uh,
used that trick. कि ऑप्शंस में से वैल्यू सेलेक्ट करके क्वेश्चन में पुट कर दो LHS RHS में. And
सर
check
जब
what
कुछ
options
बाद
are
में कोई
Sir,
आंसर आता
in
नहीं है तो यही
this
करना
right
पड़ता है.
position, I will find it.
until say 8:33 I have completed it 12 questions.
Okay.
sir, the answer of my 12th is -1.
अच्छा.
Sir, almost in every question like this, their answer is -1.
हाँ,
Yes.
in my
Yes,
in
sir,
2-3
mostly.
questions, I know. In 2-3 questions, the answer, maybe in 3 questions, the answer was -1. In 2 or 3, at least 2 or 3 questions for that. Answer was -1.
The second last was also -1.
Yeah.
The 12th was how many marks?
12th one was of, I think 3 marks.
Sir, and what was the answer?
I don't remember the answer.
-1.
I don't
Sir,
even.
my answer was
Sir, -1.
What was the answer?
-1.
-1 was the answer.
Time.
No, -1.
Yeah. So there was
Yes, sir,
in,
-1.
I just it came to in my mind that there was a question in reasoning where the question was, the options you may find a little confusing, but the question was very easy. That at what time in which of the following cases there were some options in which of the following cases the hands, the minute hand and the hour hand of a clock overlap each other. So there were 4 options.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 12 o'clock. 12
Yeah.
o'clock was the answer.
12 o'clock.
Yes, sir,
Yes,
12
sir,
o'clock.
12 o'clock.
What was the
Sir,
answer?
first I was confused.
Yes,
I have
12
not
o'clock.
seen the option.
Even I
So,
was
yeah,
confused.
options were a little confusing. So some students might have thought that इसके तो चारों options सही है, 3:15, 6:30, 9:45. ऐसा लग सकता है कि all the 4 options are correct, but actually the answer is 12 o'clock.
Sir, but the
Yes,
hand
sir.
will also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I marked 12.
Sir, one question was when will the minute hand be?
Or do you
When
all
will be the time be 7 minutes? So there the options were at when the minute hand will be at 7 or between 3 or 4. Ma'am, sir, it was too confusing. First I marked wrong answer, then I
No, sir, the question was
rechecked.
for 7 minutes between 1 and 2.
हाँ.
1,
Yes,
2,
something like
and
that.
between
I
1 and
don't
2.
remember.
I marked between 1 and 2.
Between 1 and 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
also marked
First
between
time
1
I
and 2.
marked
It was
wrong.
all done.
Sir, I
Sir,
also.
I also marked that.
Because why at 7 I thought it's of
मैं
minutes.
एक राज यहाँ पर खोल देता हूँ. It was all done intentionally. ये सारा मेरे दिमाग का खेल है. All the questions were made by me and all the options were made by me. I intentionally made these confusing options. So I never use a book for reasoning. My reasoning.
Sir, sir, they were many, not very difficult. They were very easy.
तो ये
Sir, you can make more
Yes,
difficult.
sir.
I am ready.
So they were
it's good that
easy, what they were confusing too.
reasoning, actually the subject reasoning is included in your syllabus to give you something which is interesting as well as challenging, जिसमें आपको थोड़ा दिमाग अपना अलग तरीके से यूज करने को, उसको expand करने को chance मिले. That is why reasoning is included in the syllabus. So we cannot do much experiment in mathematics because we have to follow the syllabus which is given by CBSE. तो हमें उसी के according चलना है मैथ्स में. बट रीजनिंग में देयर आर नो लिमिट्स. वो सीबीएसई का सब्जेक्ट तो है नहीं, वो हमने खुद इंक्लूड करा है, तो उसमें मैं चाहे जितना आपके साथ खेलना चाहूँ मैं खेल सकता हूँ.
Sir,
It is for your benefit only.
So that means we will have reasoning exam in school also.
Yes, whenever the school will open, you will have reasoning exams offline also.
Sir, will it be written
Yes, it will be
or only MCQ?
objective MCQs only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So let us start with the exercise 15C. I hope you all understood what is the motive of including reasoning in your syllabus. So I also expect that you all find it interesting also. Do you find it interesting in reasoning or not? No? While is saying no.
Sir, what?
You find reasoning
Sir,
interesting?
what?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's very
Yes, sir, it's very interesting.
सच में इंटरेस्टिंग है या अमूल बटर लगाया है?
No, sir, really.
Sir, अमूल
सच
बटर
में
नहीं
है।
है।
सर अमूल बटन नहीं है।
सर यहाँ कोई अमूल बटर नहीं खाता बेबी
सर मैं तो खाता हूँ अमूल बटर।
लगाने की बहुत सारा-
मैं भी।
Okay, I'm joking. Yeah. First one, the question is, it is to be done in your book only. Question number 1, exercise 15C. चलिए बहुत सारी बातें आज के लिए हो गई. Let us do the chapter triangles. We are starting exercise 15C, which is based on the triangle inequalities property. That is triangle inequality. So the first question is it possible to draw a triangle the length of whose sides are given below? क्या ऐसा कोई ट्राइंगल पॉसिबल है जिसकी तीनों साइड्स 1 सेंटीमीटर की हों? Is it possible? First part.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus 1, 2.
This type of triangle is called an equilateral.
Yes.
तो आंसर आप बुक में लिख दीजिए. Yes. Second one, the sides are 2, 3 and 4. ऐसा possible है? The sides
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
are trick for it.
5.
The simple
It's greater than 4.
is a simple trick for it. आप दो छोटी वाली साइड्स को सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए. Select the two smaller sides. उन दोनों को ऐड करके देख लो. What is the sum? The sum
Sir,
is
first one is
first one is yes. Second one is also yes. Both the answers are yes. मैं आपको एक ट्रिक बता रहा हूँ.
Third is no.
आप
The
लोग
third is false.
बेटा मेरी
Yes.
यस और
Third
नो
one is
आंसर तो सब बच्चे बता देते हैं. मेन थिंग इज कॉन्सेप्ट सीखना चाहिए. सो व्हाट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, योर कंसंट्रेशन शुड बी ऑन दैट. मैंने आप लोगों को एक छोटा सा ट्रिक बताया है चेक करने के लिए. इट विल कंज्यूम लेस टाइम. आप जल्दी आंसर बता सकते हैं. यू सेलेक्ट द टू स्मॉलर साइड्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. छोटी वाली साइड्स को सेलेक्ट कर लो एंड ऐड द टू साइड्स. कितना आया सम? 5. तो ये जो सम आया 5, इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन द थर्ड साइड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. थर्ड वाली साइड क्या है? 4 सेंटीमीटर. तो ये 4 से बड़ा है. दैट मींस इट इज पॉसिबल. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? यस. ओके, गॉट द ट्रिक. नाउ राइट द आंसर.
Yes, sir.
So the answer is yes.
Sir, answer
Yes,
is
sir.
the
Yes.
third is no.
No, third one is no because the sum is
Third
15.
one is no because
Sir,
8
because
plus
8 plus 7 is equals to 15 and 15 is equals to 15. That's why it is not possible.
अगर sides equal है then also it is not possible. The sum of two sides is equal to the third side. It is not possible. बड़ा ही होना चाहिए. It should be greater only. Okay. So yes, yes, no. Then the fourth one, it is yes. Fourth one is yes.
Yes.
Fourth one is yes. किसी ने no लिखा है.
No, sir. Fifth is no and third is no. Rest
हाँ.
all are yes.
Yes, sir. Fifth is no.
Third and
fifth
fifth
one
are
is also
The fifth
Third.
is no because 7 plus 6 is
Plus 7 plus
Not
6 is equal to 13 and 13
greater
is
than
smaller
14.
than 14.
मिश्रा जी
13 is
fourth
smaller
वाला
than 14.
मिश्रा जी ने जल्दी में फोर्थ वाला. चलिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Two sides of a triangle are 5 and 9 centimeters long. What can be the length of the third side? Third side की length क्या हो सकती है? Very good question. जहां तक मुझे याद आ रहा है,
Smaller than their sum.
the answer given in the book
Sir, 5 and
not sufficient for this. मतलब आंसर जो बुक में दिया हुआ है वो इनकम्प्लीट है, आई थिंक, जितना मुझे याद आ रहा है, आई थिंक. तो don't just follow the answer which is given in the book. Let us understand the concept. The two sides of a triangle are 5 and 9. ये है, दो sides हैं ये एक ट्राइंगल की. आपको बताना है थर्ड साइड जो है ट्राइंगल की वो क्या होनी चाहिए. What should be the length of the third side?
Sir, smaller than 14.
You can try to add these two sides 4 or 9. तो आपने
Sir,
अगर
smaller than 14.
5 and 9 you get 14 as the sum. तो जो सम आ रहा है इन दोनों साइड्स का वो है 14, यानी कि जो थर्ड साइड है वो आपकी
So it
14.
should be less than 14 then.
Yes. So third
Sir,
side
less than 14.
should be less than 14 centimeters. Am I right or not? Have you all
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third side should be less than 14 because इन दोनों sides का sum क्या है 14 है. So third side should be less than 14. अच्छा, लेस देन 14 बोला इन्होंने. अगर मैं थर्ड साइड को 3 सेंटीमीटर्स ले लेता हूँ आंसर आ जाएगा. सही है, ट्राइंगल पॉसिबल है. इफ आई टेक द थर्ड साइड.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. 3
No,
and
sir.
5 is 8.
इसीलिए मैंने बोला जो बुक में आंसर दिया हुआ है वो इनकम्प्लीट है. इन्होंने दिमाग थोड़ा लगाया, ज्यादा नहीं लगाया. बुक में सिर्फ इतना दिया है, थर्ड साइड शुड बी लेस देन 14.
Less than 14, above than.
या
Sir, it
Less
should be
than 14.
more than
Sir,
4.
please tell
And
I have
less
written
than
3
14.
centimeter at cross.
I am just taking an example. Listen, all of you, have patience. अभी आप लोग जरा एक मिनट प्लीज सब लोग चुप रहना. मैं एक्सप्लेन कर दूं क्या मैं समझाना चाह रहा हूँ. द थर्ड साइड should be less than 14. अभी हमने ये पता लगाया that if we add these two sides the sum is 14. That means the third side, हमें मालूम है दो साइड्स का सम थर्ड साइड से छोटा होना चाहिए, सॉरी बड़ा होना चाहिए. So third side should be less than 14. सम क्या आ रहा है 14 आ रहा है. So third side should be less than 14. तो 14 से छोटा तो 3 सेंटीमीटर. मैंने ऐसे अपने मन से एक एग्जांपल ले लिया. I have taken 3 सेंटीमीटर as the third side. अगर मैं थर्ड साइड दो तो हो गई 5, 9 और थर्ड वाली मैंने मान लीजिए 3 ले ली. So is it possible to have this triangle? ऐसा triangle?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, because 5
sir.
plus 3 equals to 8 and
8.
it is smaller than 9.
Add these two sides.
Sir,
Five
it will be
हम
more
क्या-
than 4.
less than 9.
Third side should be more than 4 and less than 14.
So there are two conditions. एक तो third side should be less than 14 and also plus third side of the triangle should be more
Should be
than
greater than
4 सेंटीमीटर से
centimeter.
बड़ा होना चाहिए और 14 सेंटीमीटर से छोटा होना चाहिए. Have you all understood what is the concept?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So book में केवल इतना लिखा है, it should be less than 14, which is incomplete. Okay?
So we can add this answer in box.
Yes, you can write this in your book. Write down.
Sir, how we will find the 4 centimeter?
4 सेंटीमीटर कैसे निकाला? If you add 5 and 3, 3 की जगह मैं 4 कर देता हूँ यहाँ पर मान लीजिए. तो 5 और 4 का सम कितना हुआ 9. अभी भी काम नहीं चल रहा है. 5 and 4 का सम कितना हुआ 9 हो गया. So the sum of these two is 9, which is again not possible. So अगर ये 4 से बड़ा हो जाएगा, if the third side is greater than 4, 4 से बड़ा मैं कुछ भी ले लूँ, even if I take 4.1, 4.1 भी ले लिया अगर मैंने, then अब इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे आप, you get the sum as 9.1, which is greater than the third side. 9 से बड़ा हो जाएगा. So it is possible when the third side is greater than 4 or less than 14. Understood, Mishra ji?
Yes, sir.
Got it? आप कैसे निकाल सकते हैं ये? इन दोनों साइड्स का डिफरेंस कर लीजिए, मिल जाएगा आपको. 9 minus 5 कितना आया? 4 आया. तो 4 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. Okay? The third side should be greater than the sum of these
Okay, sir.
sorry, less than the sum of these two and greater than the difference of these two. इन दोनों के डिफरेंस से बड़ा होना चाहिए और सम से छोटा होना चाहिए. Got it? Third question. बेटा ये फिलअप्स करने जल्दी से बुक में आंसर लगा दो. I think I don't You don't need any help in the
सर
third.
सेकंड को नोटबुक में करना है?
No, you can do it in the book only. Second one. Third one also, it
Okay,
is
sir.
done in the book. If you need any help, you can ask me. Otherwise, I know you all can do it very easily. The third one.
But 4. Sir, how to prove? Sir, don't know how to prove.
What? Which one?
Fourth one.
Fourth one. अरे wait. अभी मैंने fourth कराया.
So I
Every-
know the question answer, but don't know how to prove any question.
Don't worry. अभी रसिक सर जिंदा है. This is my dialogue which I use generally. I use in my coaching batches. बच्चे थोड़ा परेशान होते तो मैं बोल देता हूँ.
Explore studies.
अरे मर गए. प्रमोशन कर रहा है कोचिंग का. Explore studies.
Sir, the 3 questions of the third part.
Okay, done the third question. Fourth वाले पे आ जाते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
4, 5, 6 and 7, all the remaining questions are to be done in your copies. तो आप लोग copies निकाल लीजिए. We will start doing question 4, 5, 6 and 7.
Sir, in all these we have to prove only.
Yeah. Do you know that class 7 में जब आप आते हैं, the maths in class 7 is way too difficult as compared to class 6. Class 6 की maths से 7 की जो maths है, it is very difficult. Same thing happens in class 9th also. When you will come to class 9th, you will find that class 9th maths is way too difficult. The level is suddenly increased a lot.
Yes, sir. In class 9.
8 to 9. 8 to 9 में
Sir,
Sir, in class 6 I was
sir,
thinking, but
I
not in
think
class 7.
7th class seems more easier than 6th class.
इससे ज़्यादा easy लग रहा है.
Because
Yes,
I
sir.
have, yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
because I
Sir,
have
in
read
6th I didn't
and know
understand,
all
but
these
7th
things
it's
in
very easy.
6th class only.
क्या हो सकता है? Maybe this is the reason because you have joined SR International this year only. So maybe आपको
Yes, sir. I was ICSC board. So, sir, I have read this
Sir, we
already.
can't tell that sir maths is easy in 7th, sir, as there are many chapters left like mensuration.
mensuration.
Sir, all the topics in this book I have read already in 6th class.
Yeah. So
Sir, probability is the easiest chapter.
Yes, sir.
same thing.
Yes, sir.
You will find in class 9th also. Class 9th और 8th में भी बहुत difference है, and then in class 11th also. 11th और 10th में भी काफी difference है. 11th में तो there is one more reason. 10th में बच्चे थोड़ा serious होते हैं, फिर 11th में आकर के पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है, पागल हो जाते हैं, जिन्हें क्या हो जाता है, पढ़ना ही छोड़ देते हैं. 10th में इतनी मेहनत करते हैं कि उनका 11th में पढ़ने का मन ही नहीं करता है. So I hope you all will not do this. If you really work hard like you did in 10th, so you will again find maths interesting and easy in 11th also. Otherwise 11th में बहुत problem आएगी. So होता है हर 2 साल के बाद ऐसा होता है. 7th, 9th और 11th there is difference.
All odd.
Yeah, odd ones.
Yes, sir. I have done linear equation 3 times. Then I got it.
Sir, I
come-
have done 7th A exercise 5 to 6 times. Then I got all the questions right at one time only.
Sir, only one question was done 2 times, and every one was done in one time only.
Okay. So ABC is a triangle and AM is a median.
What is a median?
बेटा जिन लोगों को इन 7 की मैथ्स इजी लग रही है उसका बस एक ही रीजन है दैट यू हैव अ गुड टीचर. बस.
Yes, sir.
So we shall draw
Yes,
this.
sir.
Sir, that we have.
So word best teacher.
अरे ये पक्का अमूल बटर है. ये तो पक्का अमूल बटर उठा करके पूरा का पूरा 100 ग्राम वाला 100 ग्राम के 2 एक साथ फेंक के
सर 50 सर 500 ग्राम्स वाला
500 ग्राम का।
सर,
Yes.
क्योंकि होल वर्ल्ड सर वर्ल्ड का सर वर्ल्ड में 500 ग्राम्स तो होगा।
This is a question given. It is
Sir,
given.
shall we draw it?
Yes, you have to draw the figure. There is a triangle ABC and AM is a median. Very important term is used in this question. All of you, please pay attention. I assume that this term median you are listening for the first time. आपने शायद मैथ्स में ये टर्म पहली बार सुना होगा, median. Am I right? Median of a triangle is
Yes, sir.
median का meaning होता है a line segment which is drawn from one vertex of a triangle. किसी एक vertex से एक line segment ऐसा जो opposite side को equal parts में काट देता है. Opposite side vertex A को देखिए, we have drawn a line segment AM from vertex A, and what it is doing, it is meeting the midpoint of the side BC. Opposite side कौन सी है? Vertex A की opposite side कौन सी है? It is BC. और BC का midpoint है M. So when you join these 2 points, you get a median. So AM is the median in this case. Understood what is the meaning of median? Median का काम क्या है? Word से भी थोड़ा clear हो रहा है. Median, midpoint. Midpoint से थोड़ा मिलता जुलता है. तो BC का midpoint क्या है यहाँ पर? M. M is the midpoint of BC. तो किसी midpoint को, किसी साइड के midpoint को और opposite vertex को join कर देंगे, then you call this line segment as a median of the triangle. Very important term. याद रखना, हमेशा बता रहा हूँ, भूलना नहीं तो जिस क्लास में भूल गए उसी क्लास में आकर के 2 थप्पड़ लगाऊंगा मैं.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Median. Got it. Now, क्या prove करना है आपको? So please follow these steps. What I am doing here. First, you have to make a figure. Then write what you have to prove. कैसे लिखेंगे? You write it in this way. To prove. To prove what you have to prove. So these are the steps that you have to follow when this type of question comes in your exam, if it comes. AB plus BC plus CA, that means the sum of all the 3 sides of the triangle is greater than twice the median. Is greater than twice of the median. This you have to prove. Okay. Now, proof. Proof मतलब proof का meaning क्या होता है? Proof का meaning होता है सबूत. How you are presenting the सबूत in front of the judge. You are a advocate and you are presenting proofs to prove this. Case solve करना है आपको. So how you are going to prove it? You will take in triangle ABM. Take triangle ABM. It is very simple, okay? In triangle ABM, we all know that sum of 2 sides in any triangle is greater than the third side. हम सबको पता है. We have learned this property. That means AB plus BM is greater than AM. Can I write this? AB plus BM is greater than AM. Sum of 2 sides in this triangle. We are talking about triangle ABM.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
इन दोनों को ऐड करूंगा, then I will get greater than AM. You can take this as inequality number 1. Equation 1 मार्क करना आपने सीखा था पीछे, कहीं ना कहीं मार्क किया होगा मैथ्स में. Consider
Sir,
Yes,
clock.
sir.
ऐसे. This is not.
No, sir, not clock.
This is not an equation. This is called an inequality. This is an inequation. Equation वो होती है जिसमें equal to आता है. What is this? इसको क्या बुलाते हैं? This is known as
Inequation.
जिसमें
Inequality.
less than या greater.
Inequality.
That is called an inequation. So this is your inequation number 1. Now same thing we will do in the other triangle, in triangle ACM. ACM triangle उठा लिया हमने. ACM triangle में AC plus PM is also greater than AM. Inequation number 2. This is your inequation number 2. अब तो ज्यादा कुछ बचा नहीं है इस क्वेश्चन में. Adding inequations, adding inequations 1 and 2. दोनों inequations को मैं ऐड कर रहा हूँ. Whenever you add two equations या फिर inequations, चाहे equations को ऐड करें या inequations को ऐड करें, आप क्या करते हैं, LHS और LHS दोनों का ऐड कर देते हैं और दोनों का RHS ऐड कर देते हैं, और बीच में जो साइन है, if it is equal to तो equal to आ जाएगा, if it is greater than तो greater than आ जाएगा, less than है तो less than आ जाएगा दोनों जगह, लेकिन सेम होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए on one side you have greater than sign, the other one you have less than sign. ऐसा नहीं. You can only add if both the inequations have same sign in between. Okay. So when you add LHS of both the inequations, AB plus BM plus CM, और बीच में क्या था, greater than, और RHS में क्या आ जाएगा, you add the RHS of both the inequations, AM plus AM. Is it clear? AB plus BM plus AC plus CM. जल्दी से कर देता हूँ. PM and CM ऐड करके मुझे बताइए कितना हो गया, BM plus CM. If you add
BC.
it becomes BC. So AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2AM hence 2. Clear or not? जल्दी बता दिया मैंने थोड़ा क्योंकि
Yes, sir. Sir, please
Yes,
explain
sir.
the last line.
PM और CM देखो बेटा, BM CM ऐड करके क्या बन रहा है,
Sir, BC.
बस वही करा है मैंने.